Hey there, welcome to Practical Academy. In today's session, we're going to look at the number system, the first chapter of your mathematics textbook class 9. Now, in this particular chapter, we are going to learn about the number line. As per name, you might have guessed that a number line is nothing but just a line composed of numbers. There are so many numbers hanging on the number line. There are so many numbers like 0, 1, 2, -1, and there are infinitely many numbers between them. Like between 0 and 1, there is 5 by 10, just incorrect between them. Likewise, between them also, there are so many numbers which you can't even imagine. Now let's look at the classification of numbers on the basis of their appearance. The first number comes is natural numbers. Natural numbers is just so easy, which is just the natural number which we learn very first, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are called natural numbers and denoted by n. Now moving on, we get whole numbers. Now if we add 0 in the natural numbers, then it gets completed, means there was a part, now it had become whole. Therefore they are called whole numbers and we denote it by w. Notice a common theme here, the first letter of them is their sign. That's easy, right? Then we get integers. Now we get whole numbers. If we add the negative numbers like -1, 2 in the whole number, then it will become integers. Now let me give some examples of the integers. Some examples of the integers are -1, 0, -2, 1, 2, and many more. And notice the integers are denoted by the sign Z, which came from a German word Zahlen, which means to count. They are counting numbers therefore. Okay, now let's moving on. We get rational numbers. There is the final last number, but not the least, but it is the most important number in this chapter, the most basicest number. It is the king of the numbers which you have just read. So any number is a rational number if it can be written in the form of p by q. For example, 2 by 1, 0 by 1, 1 by 1, 8 by 12, 12 by 23, and many more. Any number which can be written in the form of p by q means any number upon something which is a rational number. It is denoted by q. Now you might ask why q? Then notice p is the dividend and q is the divisor. If we cut them, then we will get quotient, and quotient's first letter is q. Letter is q. Therefore, we get q as the sign of rational number. We denote it by q. Now let's move on to sub questions, because if you do it, then only you will understand the main mathematics concepts. So the first question asks us, find 6 rational numbers. Rationals means rational numbers. So find 6 rational numbers between 3 by 15 and 2 by 18. 2 by 18 means 1 by 9, so we will write that in the simple form. Notice that 1 by 9 is smaller than 3 by 15. So we have to find a number which lies between 1 by 9 and 3 by 15. Now let's do it. I will give you some solutions. If you know the answer, then you can comment down in the comment box. I watch every comment. I watch every comment. I don't miss any comment. Wherever it takes so many, then also I will. So first, let both the denominators are not same, therefore they are not like terms. So let's make them like terms. For making them like terms, we will take the LCM of 9 and 15, which we get 45. So we will do 9 into 15, 9 into 5, which will give us 45. If we had multiplied the denominator, then we will multiply the denominator also. Then we will get 5 by 45, and same thing on the other side, we will get 9 by 45. Now we have two numbers. Both the two numbers are just exact same but are in different form. The numbers are 5 by 45 and 9 by 45. Now you can easily find like 6 by 45, 7 by 45, and 8 by 45. Wait, there are only 3 and we need 6. So we can do it by just 6.5, 7.5, and 8.5. Just add a 0 in the denominators of the every number. Now let's moving on to the second question. Now I am going to tell you the one of the most important formulas of mathematics, which helps in many fields. The formula is a plus b upon 2. I will make you understand the formula. It is the formula of finding the number which is exact between any two numbers. Exact between. It helps you in physics, mathematics 10, 12 and many other classes. It will help you everywhere you go. So let's try out it practically. So we have to find a number between 100 and 150. So we'll take 100 as A and 150 as B. Doing it, we get 125 as the answer. So the number which lies correct exact between 100 and 150 is 125. We get it so easily. So it is Practical Academy taking by. If you enjoyed that video, then give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends so that they will also grab the knowledge of this class, and subscribe for next videos. Thanks for watching.